Gagamitin ko na ang pinakamalakas na hero.
Whether I am a man or stone, Nectum will be safe behind me. Count on that.
Welcome to Honor of Kings. Enemy minions
Last to
will
leave the
arrive
base
in
is a
5
noob.
seconds.
Unang pagkikita pa lang namin, talagang pinakitaan ko na sila ng malulupit na moves ni Lapu-Lapu.
Money.
Medyo agresibo na rin kami dito. Kaya mabibigyan ko sila ng isa dito. Pero talagang masakit mag-damage ang tore nila. Kaya nabigyan din ako. Gayunpaman, pinipilit pa rin namin mag-up ang marksman nila. Kaya, heto, ginugulo ko sila. At mabibigyan namin dito ang marksman nila.
An enemy has been slain.
Bahala na. That's the way life's meant to be.
Nagpakita rin dito yung mage nila. Kaya naka-target lock na siya ngayon.
Yeah, boy.
Killing spree.
Arrogance.
Your team has destroyed
More
a
than an
turret.
unpleasant trait. Left unchecked, it will turn into a sin.
Makikita nyo pa rin dito na. Patuloy ko pa rin na ginugulo ang marksman nila. Iba rin talaga ang galawan ng core nila. Talagang gusto unahin ang marksman namin. Hindi pwede sa akin yan.
Rampage. An enemy has been slain.
Bakunoa's price doesn't scare me. I just wish for more time.
Nag-rotate na rin ako sa top lane. Para tulungan i-gap yung ka-match up niya dito. Pero mukhang nakatunog sila. 4 agad yung nagpakita dito.
Paano masabi?
Gayunpaman, mas lalo naming dinalingan, kaya mabibigyan namin sila dito.
Killing spree. Shut down.
Sorry. My bad.
Double kill. An enemy has been slain. Your team has
Napagpasyahan namin na double team ang core nila. Pero hindi na sapat ang lakas namin para sa kanya. Kaya nabigyan kami dito.
has been slain. Enemy double kill. Enemy killing spree.
Pero sabi nga nila, tiwala
An
lang.
enemy has been slain. Unstoppable.
Sa sobrang kunat na ng hero ko. Kahit na 3 pa silang magsabay. Hindi na nila ako kaya burst down.
Nice.
An enemy has been slain. Legendary.
Someone has to make sacrifices.
Fabulous.
Whistling through the nutgall trees. The island is calling me home. Swallowed by the sea!
An enemy has been slain.
Sa sobrang kunat ko, parang kilikilitin na lang ako ng marksman nila. Parang nothing happened lang.
Legendary.
The Overlord and Tyrant have been enhanced. Cannons moving out. Ultimate not ready
Has
yet.
been slain. Shut down. An enemy has been slain. Your team has destroyed a turret. Double kill. An ally has been killing spree. Ace.
And the wind whistling through the nutgall trees.
Balak na rin namin i-end ang match-up. Pero kinyo lang kami ng minions. Kaya later na lang.
You have slain an enemy. Shut down.
Talagang hirap na kaming pigilan dito. Ina-ambush na lang namin sila.
The way life's meant to be.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. Double kill.
As long as Nectum is safe, I don't mind
Assemble!
becoming the
Dito na
boss.
talaga magkakaalamanan kung sino ang mananalo sa match-up na to.
How's that?
Easy peasy. Fabulous. An enemy has been slain. Shut down. Double kill. Triple kill. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Bakunoa's price doesn't scare me. I just
An enemy has been slain.